a dinosaur that's broken and has like little beads inside of it with this thing. That's my dad. Just don't reveal license plates. Okay, we're doing it. Ah! Oh! Ah! The horror! The horror! Okay, let's open it up. Okay, Dad, I don't... Whoa. Okay. Now, it's time to do the ultimate test. Okay, it's time to put it on the ground. Okay, let Jax pee first. Okay, so it's time for the ultimate test. Aww. Come on, Dad. I'm gonna cut it. Let's cut it heads off. Okay, these are a lot of beads. Oh my, oh. I really don't like this. My toy's just getting destroyed, but okay. Where did it go? Okay, guys, what do you see inside of there? If you see anything, let me know. Because you shouldn't see anything, because all you should see is this. Beads. Okay. That's inside of a dinosaur that looks like this, but without all the beads. Oh yeah, and with the head on properly. Okay. Like this. That looks like this. If you can find any in the store, do not attempt this with the same knife. Try it with a pumpkin cutter. Try it with a pumpkin cutter. Maybe you can do it that way, but don't try it. Just don't try it. Because there is absolutely no beads left. Okay, get a pumpkin cutter or something.
I don't want you cutting it up.
Okay, so that's what happens when you do that. Okay, so this is the bottom of it. Just gonna pop it out, or try to. Anyways. Man. I need to put my hood up. It's very cold outside, if you know what I mean. If you do that, let me know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe for the dinosaur, and he will come back to life somehow. Oh yeah, and this is what the bottom of him looks like. So just pull it. He has like this little tube. So just like and subscribe and leave a comment down below if you have ever done this.